In this video, I'm going to explain how you can withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal. So I am on the main page of Sweatcoin. If you click on the shop icon right here, the second one, you will see a bunch of offers. So all you gotta do is scroll through these offers and see if you have any available ones for PayPal. As you can see, we don't have any right now. However, we have the rewards hub. So you can earn cash and gift cards by completing surveys. So that's one way of how you can get Sweatcoin or transfer Sweatcoin to PayPal, turn it into money. So that's one way of how you can get it. And another way of how you can get Sweatcoin to PayPal or transfer money from Sweatcoin to PayPal is by looking at the offers right here for a PayPal gift card. So as you can see right here, we have new user specials. We can click on this, and as you can see, we get an option for a bunch of different gift cards that we can get for 2000 Sweatcoin. So if you see an option right here for PayPal, that is another way of how you can transfer your money from Sweatcoin to PayPal. Or your last option is just getting one of those gift cards and converting them to money and transferring it to PayPal that way. So I hope this was informative. Hope you learned something out of this. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.